So guys, we are inside our sample project. There are two types of layers in CapCut. One is this base layer and another one is our overlay layer. Go back to the main timeline. For your information, we can only use transition in the base layer, not in the overlay layer. Now for the transition, import the second video by selecting this plus icon. Now as you can see, at the middle of our two clips, we have a new button. Here we have all the available transitions. The transitions with the diamond icon for the premium users and the others are free. Select one of them. At the bottom we have the duration of the transition effect. Move the slider to increase or decrease the duration of the effect. And if you like to disable the transition, just move up and select this button. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.